So very quickly now, just a comparison between the single edge V1 and the single edge SE, the brand new version. Right off the hop, the shape, size, the weight, very, very similar. Pretty much all the dimensions across the board are extremely comparable, if not identical in every way. I do like this black color though. I'd definitely say cop it in this one. This one's all right. I've enjoyed using it, but this one definitely makes a bit more of a visual impact. This is where the differences really become apparent. Over here, you literally just have a little bit of a lip running straight into the straight edge blade. Over here, the blade is kind of protected, or I guess sheathed behind this guard here. The obvious advantage of a straight edge or a single edge blade is that you have a very close shave. You're taking off a lot more hair, going right down to the skin, but it's a lot easier to cut yourself. So what they've done with this is they've added this guard here to, I guess, reduce or prevent the number of nicks and cuts that you're gonna get. Probably make it a little bit more inviting and welcoming for first-time straight edge shavers to kind of get into it. And considering the price is pretty similar between the two versions, it's a very appealing proposition. Also, like the contrasting red blades that come with this guy, that's a nice touch as well.